Good day to everyone. In this video, we shall see what are all the various variables that are available in the Postman tool. In the Postman tool, we have various types of variables. These variables, it will allow you to store and reuse the values throughout your API testing process. And it also makes your tests more flexible and efficient. In the Postman tool, variables are used to store and reuse the value across the requests, collection, environments, and scripts. This Postman tool, it supports different types of variables like global variable, environment variable, collection variable, local variable, data variable. Like this, it contains various types of variables. Now let us see one by one what are all the types of variables. Global variables. These are the variables which you can use in any request or any collection or environment. They are available across everything in the Postman tool. That means it will enable you to access data between the collections, requests, test scripts, and environments. These global variables, they are available throughout the workspace. Since global variables have the broadest scope available in the Postman tool, they are well suited for testing and prototyping. For example, if you have an API key which you need to use it in many requests, then you can save it as global variable. In our previous video, we had seen how to use this global variable in the requests. Next is collection variables. Now what is this collection variables? These collection variables, they are specific to a collection. That means they are used only for requests within that collection. These are called the collection variables. Next is environment variables. These variables, they are specific to the environment which you are working in, like development environment or testing environment, UAT environment or production environment. Like this, it will be specific for that variables which you are working on. For example, you might have different base URLs for your API in different environments. So you need to store this URL as environment variables. In our previous videos, we had seen that we can how to create these environment variables in various environments. Next is data variables. These data variables, they are the variables which comes from the external data file like a CSV or the JSON. When you are running a collection in the Postman or the Newman, they will help you to run in the same request with different data multiple times. For example, if you want to test a login API with multiple usernames, then you can have those usernames in a CSV file and run them all at once. In our next video, I'll show how the data variables looks like. Next is local variables. These local variables, they are the temporary variables that are accessed in our request scripts. Local variables, they are scoped for a single request or a collection run, and they are no longer available when the run is complete. They are the short-term variables available only in a specific request or a script. They exist temporarily. For example, if you need to store a value during the execution of a request and you use it immediately. You can set temp value in one request script, but it won't be available in the other requests. These are some of the variables that are available in the Postman tool. Now, when you want to use these variables, you need to use this by wrapping their names in the double braces, within the double braces. Like we had seen in our previous video, we had used for the global variable. We had used some word within the double braces. These variables in the Postman tool, it makes your request flexible by allowing you to change just in one place, that is the variable, instead of many requests. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of our updates or videos. Thank you.